Hey everybody, so I'm sorry I had to cancel class so suddenly today, but I had an emergency come up. Definitely missed you. We had lots of fun in our last class yesterday. I was looking forward to seeing you guys, but we have a lot going on this week. And one of the things that you have tomorrow or Thursday that you should have on your schedule is your case manager should have invited you to a transition planning session. And I am going to get you started on that. Um, with this recording today. And then we will go over our lesson that we should have done this afternoon. We will get that done next week. But this is really important. Um, Slideshow from beginning. Okay. So the point of being in social skills is to give you the social and life skills that you need as you graduate from Georgia Cyber and enter adulthood in the real world. And we are going to help prepare you for that, for making your own transition plan. And part of that is identifying your strengths as a person and what you're really good at. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link here, and it's going to ask you to log in. Your username is going to be your student ID. Whatever your individual student ID is, type those numbers. Password is going to be GCyber 2019. If it asks you for an invite code, it's there. It shouldn't, but if it does, it's HDV9CSUJ. You're going to automatically be prompted to take a strengths assessment, and that's all we're going to need you to do for now. This is a program we're going to be using in this class, so I want you to go ahead and get that done. So if you do this now and you go to the transition session that your case manager has planned for you, let her know that you have taken the strengths assessment. She can pull it up and go over it with you. It's going to be a profile about what you are uniquely good at. It's going to give you suggestions on what kind of job you should have, what kind of hobbies you would like, the type of people you would get along with. It's going to give some really cool info. So if that doesn't work, we have another option. You can take this transition questionnaire. I know a couple of you tried the 11th and 12th grade one a couple weeks ago, and there was an error. It's been fixed. So if you can't log into Thrively using this information, choose one of these questionnaires based off your grade level. It's going to ask you something similar to what you would have done in Thrively. But I definitely missed you guys, and some of you are on my caseload, so I will see you in our transition session tomorrow. Goodbye.